Good day everyone, my name is Adegoroye Adegunju. I'm here with
Oladele Awal. We are here to perform our chemistry experiment on hydrogen.
Well, let's begin.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen is a flammable gas.
It is the first element of the periodic table.
It is the lightest element on the periodic
It is also
table.
a non-metal.
Here to perform this experiment, I'm going to be reacting aluminium core paper and sodium hydroxide. In the process, it will be creating hydrogen and water. But with the use of the activated charcoal, it will make sure hydrogen only goes into the balloon. Here, we are going to open the container which contains the sodium hydroxide. We are going to tear it. Here you can see we are reacting aluminium core with sodium hydroxide. I'm going to close the container. Reaction has started. You can see hydrogen going inside the balloon. So far, the hydrogen is going into the balloon and is already floating.
So from the experiment, this shows that hydrogen is lighter than air. That is why the balloon is floating right now.
We want to confirm if the gas is hydrogen. I did say why.
Now we are going to light it. Thank you for watching our video.